Hi everyone. Boom of Bharat is going to witness a massive job surge with 20 lakhs openings across 1900 global capability centers by next year, creating a new skill set. Are you ready to seize this opportunity? Namaste and welcome to Boom of Bharat with Rama Shivkumar, bringing you a new update each week on GCC. Today, we will continue to deep dive into the Tier 2 cities and GCC. Our previous podcast, after getting a lot of positive responses and demand, I'm going to, drill down into this. In case you have not listened to my previous podcast, kindly click on the link below and explore the Boom of Bharat, the Tier 2 cities and GCC. So, picture this in mind. India boosts 1,600 global capability centers, a big number. And they're employing an impressive 16.6 lakh professionals. But that's just the beginning. According to the TeamLease report, the next 5 years will see a staggering 800 new GCCs springing up across the nation. This expansion is not just the blip. It's a full-blown employment boom, isn't it? Here's where it gets even more interesting. By next year, these GCCs are projected to create 20 lakhs new job openings across various sectors. That's a phenomenal surge in job opportunities. And that's what, we in India are looking for. And it is all driven by India's favorable conditions, making it a go-to destination for global companies looking to set up GCCs in India. This is just not about quantity. Let's also look at the kind of new skills or education it's going to create. AI, digitalization, innovation, from cutting-edge research to strategic business operations. In my last episode, I did share how, with the help of GCCs, we can develop a particular city, and that city can be yours. People are already using Jaipur, Vadodara, Kochi, Chandigarh, are attracting the interest of GCC leaders. But what about other cities? I am now in Pune and I really love. What about Amravati, Ujjain, Jalgaon, Solapur, and Ahmednagar? The population is equally skilled. It's a win-win for both getting the GCC set up and the required skill set resources. And you will have less attrition. Let me share you an example. When we were setting up the GCC for the Aadhaar card support in Munnar and the Ethakoda and Kukatpalli, the team was so motivated. You can't even imagine that, the team would sit through, understand, they would learn the skills, the digital skills required to support. Our Munnar team used to sleep in the office post the shift was completed till the next day transport was available. Look at the motivation, the self-motivation. And what does that mean for you? So whether you're a job seeker, this is an unprecedented opportunity to tap into the dynamic roles that can redefine the professional future. And you can also look at, in terms of collaborating with the academia which are available there, or the startups, or, create the ecosystem yourself. That's all for today's episode of Boom of Bharat, Tier 2 cities. I hope you found the discussion on GCCs and Tier 2 cities can be leveraged not to miss this great opportunity. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on this topic, please do connect with me on LinkedIn, SRK Game Changers. Don't forget to subscribe to the podcast for more updates on the latest tech trends in the GCC. Until next time, stay innovative and stay green.